So, in last class we are discussing about this one. Cubic polynomial given and verify the given values are zeros or not. That means what we can do means first the given value substitute in place of x. First one 1, then you are getting 0. Second one minus 1, so we are getting 0. Next one minus 3, that is also we are getting 0. That means 1, minus 1 and minus 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. First step completed, verification. Second one, we have to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial. So first one, the given zeros are what that means alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to minus 3. First relationship, alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is nothing but 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 3, that is nothing but minus 3 by 1. Minus 3 by 1 is nothing but what? Minus b by a. Second relationship, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So alpha value we know that 1 into beta value how much? Minus 1 plus beta value how much? Minus 1 into gamma value how much? Minus 3 plus gamma value how much? Minus 3 into alpha value how much? 1. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus into minus plus 3, minus 3. Totally what we get? Minus 1. Now one see here C value. C value how much you are getting? Minus 1. So minus 1 by 1. And alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. Next third one, alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha value how much? 1. Into beta value how much? Minus 1. Into gamma value how much? Minus 3. That is nothing but what is that? 3. One see here, alpha beta gamma formula you know, minus d by a. Here d value how much? Minus 3. That's why this can be written as minus of minus 3 by 1. So alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. This is the very important for 4 marks. So this is totally exercise 3.3 related problems. Next one, exercise 3.4, division of the polynomials. Division of the polynomials. So this is the question. Now we have to discuss how we divide one polynomial by another polynomial. So this is the one polynomial. This polynomial divided by this polynomial x minus 1 minus x square. Before going to division, first one see all these. 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. Here x minus 1 minus x square. That means first step what is that means? The given polynomial you have to arrange either ascending order or descending order according to the exponents of the variable. So first one x cube, that means minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. That is also minus x square plus x minus 1. This is the first step. The given polynomials you have to arrange in either ascending order or descending order. Second step, what is that means? One see all the terms. First term x cube, next x square, x constant. So all terms exist here. That's why no problem. Suppose any term is not there, that means any term is missed, then you have to put 0 in place of that term. So in division, next step in division, what we do means always you have to divide here first term by here first term. That means minus x cube by here what is the first term? Minus x square. So minus minus cancel. What is the answer? X. That is the term in the quotient. So this x multiply each and everything in this divisor, x into minus x square, then what we get? Minus x cube. X into x, then what we get? X square. X into minus 1, we are getting what is that? Minus x. So we know very clearly the signs will be changed. So these two are cancelled. 3x square minus x square, that means what we get? 2x square. Minus 3x plus x, that means what we get? Minus 2x plus 5. Now same concept only. Here first term by here first term. That means 2x square by here what is the first term? Minus x square. That means answer is what is that? Minus 2. That minus 2 put here. So minus 2 into minus x square, that means what we get? 2x square. Minus 2 into plus x, we are getting minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1, we are getting plus 2. So minus plus minus, these two are cancelled, these two are cancelled. 5 minus 2, that is nothing but how much you are getting? 3. So now once see this division, we know in previous generally in lower classes 7 divided by 3 is there, then we are getting what is that? 3 2s are 6, remainder 1. We know very clearly this is called as what is that? Means dividend. This is called what is that? Divisor. This is what is that? Quotient. This is what is that? Remainder. So we know very clearly the rule is division rule. The division rule. What is the division rule? Dividend is equal to divisor into division rule. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This one we learnt in previous classes, lower classes. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The same thing only we have to apply in this polynomials also. So in polynomial, this is generally what is that? Dividend. This is the divisor. This is the quotient. It is the remainder. So the dividend we are denoted by here, what is that? Means P of x. P of x is equal to divisor we are denoted by what is that? Means G of x into quotient. Quotient we are represented by what is that? Means Q of x plus remainder we are represented by what is that? Means R of x. So P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. This is only we called as what is that? Means division algorithm. Division algorithm. Here condition is what is that? Means degree of R of x is less than degree of G of x, or R of x is equal to 0. So the remainder may be 0. Otherwise the degree of R of x is less than or equal to degree of R of x is less than or equal to degree of R of x is less than degree of G of x. This is only we called as what is that? Means division algorithm. P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. So here condition is what is that? Means where degree of R of x is less than degree of G of x. Otherwise the R of x is equal to 0. Like this we do divisions of the polynomial. So exercise 3.4, first Roman, second Roman, we have to do like this by using the division. Next we see another problem. Here given the polynomial is, what that means, p of x is equal to 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This is the given. So if you observe the given polynomial, its degree is how much? 4. That means this is the biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial means it has how many zeros? At most 4 zeros. But in the question they given only 2 zeros. Alpha is equal to root over 5 by 3 and beta is equal to minus root over 5 by 3. So 2 zeros only given. We have to find out remaining 2 zeros. Generally if you observe this one, it is a biquadratic polynomial. One biquadratic polynomial we are able to written as product of two quadratic polynomial. That's why first you have to find out one quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, we know very clearly the formula, k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That means k into x square minus x into root over 5 by 3 minus root over 5 by 3 plus root over 5 by 3 into minus root over 5 by 3. So what we get, k into, this is becomes 0, x square minus root 5 by 3 into root 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 plus into minus minus x square minus 5 by 3. So put k is equal to 3. Then we are getting what is the term? 3x square minus 5. That means this biquadratic polynomial we are able to written as product of two quadratic polynomials. Out of two quadratic polynomials, one quadratic polynomial, what we get? 3x square minus 5. So we have to find out another quadratic polynomial. For that biquadratic polynomial divided by this quadratic polynomial. Three x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 divided by 3x square minus 5. One see x square after what is the general term? X term. But here x term not there. That's why you have to write 0 into x. Same concept we know very clearly. Here first term by here first term. First term what is that? 3x to the power of 4 by here first term what is that? 3x square. So result is what is the term? X square. X square into 3x square. Then what we get? 3x to the power of 4. X square into 0. We are getting what is that? 0x cube. X square into minus 5. Minus 5x square. Minus plus. These two are cancelled. What we get? 6x cube plus 3x square minus 10x minus 10x. So same 6x cube by 3x square. 6x cube by 3x square. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Then we are getting what is the term? Plus 2x. 2x into 3x square. 6x cube. 2x into 0. We are getting what is that? 0x square. 2x into minus 5. We are getting what is that? Minus 10x. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. These two are cancelled. What is the remaining one? 3x square minus 5. Same. First term by first term. 3x square by 3x square. Then we are getting what is that? 1. So 3x square minus 5. Remainder becomes 0. That means another quadratic polynomial what we get? X square plus 2x plus 1. That means x square plus 2x plus 1 into 3x square minus 5. If you multiply, then we are getting this biquadratic polynomial. Now this one split into factors. X square plus 2x plus 1. It is nothing but a plus b whole square. That's why we are getting what is that? X plus 1 whole square. So that is nothing but x plus 1 into x plus 1. We want zeros. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. And totally it has 4 zeros. Those 4 zeros, what are the means? One is a root 5 by 3, second one is a minus root 5 by 3, and third one minus 1, fourth one minus 1. In 3.4, fourth problem on C, they given what is that means P of x is equal to, they given what is that x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. And the next one, quotient q of x is equal to, q of x is equal to what is given means x minus 2. R of x is equal to, they are given what is that means minus 2x plus 4. And they are asking what is that g of x. They are asking what is that g of x. So we know very clearly, we know that P of x is equal to what is the term? G of x into q of x plus r of x. This is called as division algorithm. Now for us we want g of x. That's why remaining all one by one you have to carry to other side. P of x plus r of x becomes what is that? Minus r of x into q of x becomes what is that? Divided by q of x. That is equal to g of x. That means g of x is equal to p of x. P of x means what is the term? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus r of x. R of x ante minus 2x plus 4. R of x is nothing but what? Minus 2x plus 4. So after minus like this we are getting compulsory put in bracket, otherwise get wrong answer. By q of x. Q of x means what is that? X minus 2. So we have to simplify. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus into minus plus 2x minus 4 by x minus 2. So we are getting what is that? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. This is the g of x. One, see this one, the meaning of this one, g of x is equal to what? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, means you have to do division. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. We know very clearly, first term by first term, x cube by x, we are getting what is that? X square. X square into x, we are getting what is that? X cube. X square into minus 2, minus 2x square, minus, this is the plus, these two are cancelled, minus x square plus 3x. So same, first term by first term, minus x square by x, that means what we get? Minus x. Minus x into x, minus x square, minus x into minus 2 plus 2x. So